Roll the intro, please. What's up, guys? It's boy Rotherspoon back again with another reaction video, man. Shasagui. I think that's how you pronounce it, man. Thunder is the one. Let's go. He never disappoints. You guys know he never disappoints. He always leaves a message in his videos, which is inspirational. But today I see guns, meaning somebody gotta get shot. Somebody gotta get killed. Let's go. Damn, those girls are crazy. It's got assault rifles. It's got 9 mils. It's got sniper guns. Hey. Damn! Don't mess with that guy, man. Woo! I love that. Hello? Who is she? She's not Mongolian though, man. I love that dog, man. Hello! Pretty lady! I'm just kidding, guys. It's a nice dog, man. A Doberman. Dang! Yeah, this song is crazy. Like, this song is like really insane, man. I like it's clean, the visuals, flame. Is it film flame? Whatever, whoever the director is, man. This is a dope video, man. It's a real dope video, bro. Comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Rotherspoon, I was here, man. Now I'm gone. Gone.
Yeah.